Hey, what is up guys? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on day 4 of 12 days of Christmas already. It's going by so quick, I can't believe it. Today's look is a simple reindeer, glam, super cute look. I know for once I didn't go spooky. This would probably be the only time that it's not. So soak it in while you can for sure. And there is a giveaway at the end of this video as well, so we're keeping that going. I'm gonna do giveaways for all the days, and today's Christmas sweater of the day is my favorite one of all time. I know I said that last time about Mario, but no, this is the best sweater, guys. Okay, are you ready? It is Jack Skellington. Of course this is my favorite, but also, see these little things? It lights up. How cute! Isn't that so cute? So yeah, Christmas sweater of the day, light up Jack Skellington creepiness, and there's gonna be a giveaway at the end of this video. But first, let's just get into me turning into a little reindeer girl. Okay, so just jumping right in, I already put down my foundation, and now I'm just adding some concealer and then setting that with a setting powder. Really wanted to make this a snatched reindeer. So now we're going in with the Shade and Light palette from KVD Vegan Beauty, and then just heavily contouring. You want that whole like reindeer, glowing, smoky vibe. Doing the body as well. Now we're just adding a red shadow for the nose. I want it to be Rudolph. You can do a black nose if you want to not be Rudolph. And then just filling in those brows. So now I'm just priming the lids. We're gonna do a super fun glam holiday look. So I started off with a kind of like red, light red shade. And we're really just blending that out. And now I'm going under the eyes with a white cream paint. I kind of wanted to do that whole reindeer vibe. And then taking that same red shadow and kind of smoking out underneath. Then going in with a dark brown and really adding that depth. And now I'm taking a white cream paint and cutting the crease. So you can make this like big, small, whatever you want to do. And then adding a gold shimmer to the lid just to kind of contrast that super dark smoky brown. Now the bottom lip is going to be like a neutral, and then I wanted the top lip, I was going to do it just black, but then I decided let's do like a gradient of like dark red to red, and then I popped on a gloss. Then just drag down that little line. I feel like that really makes it look like a little cute reindeer. And now I'm just darkening underneath the eyes a little bit more. And then I'm adding my favorite part, which is the little white dots. And popping on some mascara, because we're going to put on some lashes. So we're taking the fairy dolly lashes from Eldora. I know you guys always ask. They have my favorite lashes. We gotta add those dots to the body as well. And then now I'm gonna do like a cute little red bow, which is 100% inspired by my friend Tiffany on Instagram, Illuminati. She did a really cute little red bow on her reindeer last year, and I just thought that was so cute. So first we lay down the red base, then we start adding the midtones with a little bit darker color. Then we shade with shadow on those midtones just to make them really dark. Then you add the light with a cream paint. Powder all of that, and then take a white face paint at the very end to add the brightest bright highlights. Then I popped on a wig. It was a disaster because I wore that wig to a party before. And now I wanted to show you guys how I made the headpiece. So I made these little ears out of foam, put paper on them, and then just painted them with face paint. I started gluing on a bunch of flowers and pine cones to this headband. I got these antlers at Michael's, by the way. I got all this stuff at Michael's craft store. So yeah, I just stuck a bunch of stuff on there and just like really builded it up. And that thing was heavy, so I was pinning it to my head. And there you go. I feel like the headpiece really brought this whole thing together because it was a really simple makeup. So yeah, let me know, do you guys like these more glam looks, or do you expect like crazy body paint stuff from me all the time? Because I kind of like doing these glam ones as well. It's super fun. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you want, you can go check out like some videos of this and my other looks on my TikTok right here. Or if you want to see the picture of this one or my other 12 Days of Christmas, go and follow my Instagram. And I know you guys are waiting for today's giveaway. It's actually a really cute little package, so let me show you. So I'll show you guys what there is in this. First, we got this really pretty palette with some blues and purples. We got this one that's more of like the colors I used in today's look. So that palette would have been really perfect for that. It comes with this cute little finishing sprays. We also have these perfect holiday colored lip glosses. We have this shadow jelly. I don't want to open it because I want to keep it sanitary for you guys, but it's like a gold color. And then last, we have this cute little lipstick. It's super sparkly. Once again, I'm not going to open it because I want to keep everything sanitary for you guys. So everything is sealed. It's all going to come in this cute little bag. So yeah, I feel like this one is actually like a cute little Christmas gift for you. You could keep it or give it to a loved one. So if you want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, jump down in the comments, and comment what the secret Christmas sweater of the day was. Make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Then jump on over to my Instagram, find the post of the cute little reindeer for today, like that post, and then comment and tag 2 friends in that post. And I will be checking everything and making sure you're following me on Instagram and subscribe to me on YouTube. And I will be picking the winner on Wednesday night at midnight Pacific Standard Time, and I will announce it on Thursday. So yeah, that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. I will be announcing the winner of today's giveaway on Thursday, along with my next YouTube video, which is day 5 of 12 Days of Christmas, and there will be another giveaway as well. So definitely want to give this video a like, hit subscribe, and turn on your notifications because you don't want to miss any of that stuff. And yeah, I just want you guys to know I really appreciate all your support, and I'm so happy to be giving back to you finally. I've been collecting all this stuff for you guys, so super excited about it. And yeah, I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.